In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF to Google Sites, a simple process that can be completed in just a few minutes. Whether you're looking to add important documents, printable resources, or any other material in PDF format to your Google site, this guide will show you exactly how to do it. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to your Google site where you want to upload the PDF. Within your Google site, you're going to locate and click on the Google Drive icon. This is your initial step, and it's crucial because it directly links you to the stored documents within your Google Drive. If you haven't already signed in, make sure to log into the Google account connected to your Google Sites to access all your files. Once you've accessed Google Drive through your Google site, it's time to browse through your files to locate that specific PDF you wish to upload. Take your time to scroll or search if needed. You might have many documents, but finding the right one is essential to ensuring accurate information is shared on your site. Once you've found the PDF you're looking for, simply click to select it. This action ensures that the file is highlighted and prepared for the next step. After you've selected your PDF, the next stage is to click on the Insert button. This button is usually located in the Options menu or ribbon above your file listings. Clicking Insert will place the PDF file directly onto your Google site. It's that simple. But remember, once you've inserted the PDF, it's a good idea to preview your site. This allows you to confirm that the document appears correctly and that all content is visible to your visitors. Also, while viewing your site, check that the access permissions for the PDF align with your intended audience. You may need to adjust the sharing settings within Google Drive to ensure that everyone who needs access can view the document. On the flip side, if the document contains sensitive information, you may want to restrict viewers and ensure only certain individuals can display it. Following these straightforward steps will help you seamlessly incorporate PDF files into your Google site, making your resource sharing capabilities much stronger. If this is your first time or if you encounter any hitches along the way, remember that practice makes perfect, and each attempt is a learning opportunity. By following these guidelines, you'll master the art of uploading PDF files to your Google site in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and insights.